Okay, my friends, it's around 11 o'clock. That's the University of Makati. Now we're in BGC. We're gonna have a BGC after late morning walk. Good morning. God bless you. Yeah, sometime. Okay. Thank you. Hello. Hello, guard. This little corner is like 8 banks around here. That's the new Red Planet, the fort. You can get this on Aguda sometime for around 2,000 pesos, sometimes more. But if you walk in there, they're gonna ask for 3,500. But if you want to stay inside BGC, 2,000's not so bad. Probably somewhere around 38 US dollars. It's nice though. It's the nicest Red Planet I've seen. Hello, guard.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out to all my friends here in Red Planet BGC. That's my friend. What's your name, sir?
Keith.
Yeah. And to Ma'am Daliga. Alright.
Me and you together.
My friend.
That's the guard with the big muscle. Look at those muscles.
Big muscle. You must check in Red Planet, sir.
Yes, I will check in.
I'm also a blogger.
Yes.
Small blogger only. What's your name, sir?
You're a smart brother too?
Yeah, I'm a blogger.
Keith, my name.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
I come back and see you.
Yeah, see you again.
God bless you.
Shout out.
I guard it. He's so funny. He says he's a blogger too. Damn, I should have asked for his account. I wasn't thinking. This BGC is unlike any other city really in the Philippines. There's a part of Cebu is similar to this, but nothing really like this BGC. That's a church. If you wonder where I'm going, I'm trying to go to boxing gym. ladies, give shout out. I think there's lots of call center employees around here. It's my guess, I don't know. It's hot here in Manila, but when you walk in BGC, you can hide in the shade. It's nice. You can't do that in Pampanga. It's so hot. Okay, we're coming up on 38th Street. Boxing gym is close to St. Luke's. St. Luke's Hospital. Supposed to be the best hospital in the Philippines. I don't know. That's what they tell me. Go this way. Wow, look at all these fancy buildings. Kind of reminds you of Toronto, if you've ever been to Toronto. This is JP Morgan. Wow, security really tight there at JP Morgan. Oh, this is Landers. I think me and the Demando family, we came to Landers one time. We had to wait in a long line. Uptown Parade. Wicked Dogs. Starbucks.
Hi.
Hello.
What's up?
Hey, Kuya.
Hey.
You in good shape? Carried the heavy stuff all day. Kuya, come on, give me one of those. Give me one of those. One of those muscle. Yeah. Oh, here's the famous Randy Donuts. I got to stay away from that place. I need a donut like I need a hole in the head. Boxing coach says, a lot of power, no speed. Oh, there's Denny's. Masarup donuts? Randy has Masarup donuts? Masarup?
Yes, of course.
What's your favorite?
Nutella.
Ah! Okay, my friends, I'll cut it off. I'm going to head on to boxing if I can find it. I think I'm close though. Thank you for watching.